You know, I mean, you have my undivided attention, and I'm infatuated because when I saw the surrealistic art, something was off. You know, from a non-artistic standpoint, I could understand why people couldn't put into perspective what exactly they're experiencing. You know, me being into art, it hit me instantaneously. I said, but wait, what are these colors? And that's when I learned about it. So the reason I was saying that, you know, there's an infinite amount of different ways that the instrument could be played. And one is, I discovered that I could play the harp like this. You see that? Keep it rolling. That's one style, and then you have like